actually noted how good of a job they were doing.
Nice. Nice. Make a good sledding trail if add enough ice on it.
The only way to make progress going down that slope.
Are you guys back country skiing in here?
Country skiing?
Yeah.
Cross country.
Cross country.
They don't country ski through this.
Huh?
I don't think the country ski through this.
Yeah.
Keep going up.
Oh, we're not in the hiking spot yet. Huh?
In my opinion, not really.
I'm tired already.
Oh, well.
Wow.
No, don't do
Whoa!
that.
Wow!
Right.
This is a pretty tight shirt. Not that you guys
You want to see it?
That's... When it rain on you.
No, it doesn't rain. It's on the bed.
Oh.
There's a bunch of these things.
Right, right.
Probably
butt dialer. You old butt dialer, you.
Should probably get out of that.
Oh, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
We could just wear in there. Oh.
If you go up there, I'm gonna race up and then push you back to there.
That means we'll be on our 16th switch back.
You count the switches?
Alright.
You count the switchbacks?
14 there, so this is going to be 16.
14, and then this is 16.
That's 15, this is 16.
Oh, I thought you said 14.
Oh,
That's
no.
not how you add that.
14 was the one we passed there. Then we got 15, there's 16. Unless they're counting them from the other direction, but I think I'm right.
And then, Mom, we're going to do this again, but going down.
What?
Down will be easier.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Now we're almost at the top. You see that? See that? That's like the top.
I see. Nice. No, it still says 14. I was wrong.
They're all 14.
Okay.
Maybe it's vertical line. This line is 14 checkpoints. This line over here.
Is this the 14th trail on the map? I don't know, buddy. I really don't. You should Google it when we get home, though.
That's at the top. There's a bunch of benches up there. There's a lot of benches up there, though. Mom, you see that little house up there? That's a fucking spot you could see about.
Cool.
Why don't you do this like every week?
Oh.
Every day?
Every day would be fine.
Yeah, every day.
Every day?
Once,
No, I'll be die. I'll
once
die.
every week.
You won't. You'll build up to it.
One ticket. But here is the pass all allowed over there. There's one shot.
That's right. Yeah, safety gap. Yeah.
So climb up to these little